Good morning, Mom. I'm Julie Andonas, and now I'm discussing about functional group sulfide. In organic chemistry, a sulfide, or in British English, sulfide or thioether, is an organosulfur functional group with connectivity of two hydrocarbon and sulfur. Like many other sulfur-containing compounds, volatile sulfides have foul odors. A sulfide is similar to an ether except that it contains a sulfur atom in place of the oxygen. Ether have two hydrocarbon and one oxygen, like they have the same structure in sulfide. The groupings of oxygen and sulfur in the periodic table suggest that the chemical properties of ethers and sulfides are somewhat similar, though the extent to which this is true in practice varies depending on the application.
Magandang araw po sa inyong ma'am. Ako nga pala si Jeremiah Dairit, ang magre-report tungkol sa general sulfide. The sulfide is mineral comprise a group of minerals in which the organic onion sulfide is S2 is typically bound to a metal. And the characteristic of sulfide is sulfates. The sulfate is on 0 SO42 has a molecular mass of 96.06 daltons. Each anion consists of one central sulfur atom surrounded by four equivalent oxygen atoms and a tetrahedral arrangement. The sulfate ion is the conjugate base of the hydrogen sulfate, also known as bisulfate ion, is a HSO4. The common names for sulfide is sulfide are the sulfur analogs of either and are therefore also called thioethers. Chemical properties. Chemical property is S2 sulfide, also sometimes called sulfide, is sulfur. In organic anion, sulfide is a basically compound that contains one or more S2 ions. The chemical formula of sulfide is also S2. The properties of a metal sulfide. Metal sulfide are thermally oxidized in temperature range of 300 to 600 degrees Celsius. The oxide form are usually harder than the corresponding sulfides, providing a behavior transition with a consequent increasing of the coefficient of friction. This can counterbalance the loss of friction due to carbon gas.
Ma'am, my name is Ria May Lorejo, and I am the third reporter of the sulfide group. So the functional compound that assigned to our group is the sulfide. So for now, I am going to discuss about uses and applications of sulfides. The first one, uses and application of sulfide, is the tantalum and niobium sulfides have low friction coefficients and can be used as lubricants for optical and sensitive instruments. So these two chemical elements, the tantalum and niobium sulfides, so pwede silang magamit as pampadulas sa mga optical and sensitive instruments. So example of optical instrument is the periscope, telescope, microscopes, and cameras. So ito yung mga pampadulas para maiwasang kalawangin yung mga instrument. So the next one is rare earth sulfides are semiconductors and have been used in thermoelectric devices. So this is the next chemical elements that have been used in thermoelectric devices. So yung thermoelectric devices, ito yung mga ang mga gamit ito is to cool down the electronics, computer, CPUs, graphics card, or any other types of electronic devices. So the specific example of electronic, a thermoelectric device is the refrigerator, is used to cool the foods and beverages. So ito yung gamit kung with the help of rare earth sulfides. So napapalamig yung mga pagkain sa isang refrigerator. So the next one used is alkaline earth sulfide plus dose of calcium zinc are used for phosphor composition. So this chemical element naman, the alkaline earth sulfides, na merong calcium and zinc, ay ginagamit para sa mga phosphor composition. So para magkaroon ng isang glow-in-the-dark toys, mga glow-in-the-dark things, the stickers, paint, and clock dial. So, kung wala itong alkaline earth sulfides, parang hindi mabubuo yung mga bagay na yon. So, dahil dito sa chemical element na to, so nabubuo nagkakaroon ng pintura, ng mga laruan, ng glow-in-the-dark, mga makikita mo sa madilim. Yung mga liwanag na nakikita mo sa dilim. So, because of this, merong naiimbentong bagay na gano'n. So, the last one is the molybdenum and tungsten sulfides are widely used non-graphic commercial lubricants. So, ito naman yung mga lubricants o mga pampadulas na ginagamit sa ibang produkto. Na kung hindi dahil sa molybdenum and tungsten sulfides, ay hindi magkakaroon ng pampadulas sa naggagamitin sa ibang produkto.
Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Jericho Hamon. I'm the last reporter of the sulfide groups. We have here an example of sulfides, the diphenyl sulfides and phenyl 4-piperidine sulfides or 4-phenylthiopiperidine. Sulfides in which two organic groups are bonded to a sulfur atoms, as in RSR, are the sulfur analogs of ethers ROR. Pag nagband daw yung sulfur atoms, magiging sulfur analogs of ethers, kaya tigapod na same sindakang sulfides. The organic groups RNR may be both alkyl, both aryl, or one of each. Ang RNR daw, pag the organic group RNR, pwedeng both alkyl or both aryl or saro sa senda. If sulfur is simultaneously connected to different positions of the same carbon chain, a cycle sulfide historical result. Pag sabay-sabay daw na nag-connect sa different position ang mga carbon chain, magiging cycle sulfide o heterocycle. If no other functional group is present in the molecules, pag wala daw nakikita na functional group sa molecules, ang sulfide pwedeng maging ethyl methyl sulfide is or CH3SC2H5. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.
Audio Jungle.